Hi, welcome to this video. I'm going to guide you through how to use CapCut 3D zoom effect. Now, import your photo into the timeline. So I'm going to hit new video. Instead of video, I'm going to choose a photo. So let's say this photo we're going to use today. Hit add. It's going to take me to the workshop, right? Or the workspace. Now go to style or effects menu. Right? Inside, we're going to select the photo effect and choose a 3D. So let me switch here. 70s, no. We want a 3D. Spirit, okay, 3D cartoon, yeah. So I'm gonna choose the 3D cartoon. Just wait it out. Okay. CapCut will automatically process and animate your flat images to give them a cinematic 3D panning motion. So basically, that's it. Consider liking this video, subscribe it really helps with the channel. Until next time, see you.